want the truth.
You know, it's not going to change like it's been like it for 200 years now, so I suppose it'll be like for the next 200.
We offer something for Australia to become something better.
And it's going to be a sign to the Australian government that times are changing.
It's Tuesday the 26th of January 1988. I'd just like to wish this great nation of ours a happy 200th birthday.
What a day for Australia. What a uniting day.
I just love being an Australian, and I love Australia Day. And
well, brother, this is deadly down here, looking real good. There must be 2,000 or 3,000 people here.
And to Australia's cause, the cause of freedom, fairness, justice and peace.
Carrying on about achieving 200 years of something. What?
And hopefully start talking amongst yourselves about what the real issues affecting Aboriginal people are.
This makes more sense to me than all that stuff that's happening on the harbour.
I heard last night that on the Royal Barge they're all wearing white too.
And we've decided to call that green bicentennial green.
We're going to listen to Charlie.
We've got to listen to Charlie, yeah.
He's on now.
Oh, sorry.
This is the biggest march in this city that I can remember since the moratorium days.
This is the best country in the world. Anything you want to do, you can do.
Today I weep for my homeland and what it's doing.